Ever dreamt of owning a piece of luxury real estate but thought it was out of reach? Well, what if I told you that you can own a share of a 50 crore rupee property with just 5 lakh rupees? Welcome to the world of fractional ownership. Today, we're diving into how this innovative concept is making it possible for regular investors like you and me to own a slice of India's most coveted luxury real estate. But is it really worth it? Let's find out. Let's start with the basics. Fractional ownership is exactly what it sounds like. Owning a fraction of a property. Imagine this. You pool your money with a few others and collectively own a high-value property. You share in the ownership, and in return, you get access to a part of the property's rental income and appreciation. So let's break it down. Instead of paying the full 5 crore rupees price tag for a luxury home, you contribute just 5 lakhs rupees. This entitles you to a share of the property, including any rental earnings or potential capital gains when the property's value appreciates. Simple, right? Fractional ownership is particularly popular in cities like Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore, where luxury real estate is skyrocketing. But here's the kicker. This model works in vacation destinations too. Imagine owning a beachfront villa in Goa or a mountain retreat in Himachal Pradesh, all for a fraction of the price. With fractional ownership, investors get the benefit of a diversified portfolio. You're not putting all your money into one property, but you still get the opportunity to profit from high-value properties. So what's the catch? There's no free lunch. While it may seem like a great opportunity, there are a few factors to consider before jumping in. First, the positives. Affordable entry point. You're pooling resources with others, which means less financial burden on your part. Access to high-value properties. You get to own luxury real estate in prime locations. Passive income potential. Rent out the property and you get a share of the rental income. But like with any investment, there are downsides. Here's what you need to know. Limited control. Unlike full ownership, fractional owners don't have complete say over the property's management. Liquidity issues. Selling your share isn't as simple as selling stocks. You may need to wait for the right buyer or exit plan. Maintenance costs. These are usually shared among owners, but they can still add up over time. Now that we've covered the basics, how do you actually get started with fractional ownership? Well, here's a step-by-step breakdown. Do your research. Look into platforms or companies that specialize in fractional ownership. Be sure to check their track record, the properties on offer, and the legal framework they operate under. Assess the property. Before buying a share, ensure the property's location, market potential, and the company's credibility. It's your money, so don't rush the process. Understand the fees. Maintenance, management, and transaction fees can add up. Make sure you're clear on all the costs involved before signing up. Legalities and ownership agreements. Carefully go through the contract. Know your rights, how you can exit, and any limitations on usage or resale. There are plenty of platforms emerging that make fractional ownership accessible. Websites like Insert Example have revolutionized how people can invest in luxury property, breaking it down into easily digestible shares. So, is fractional ownership right for you? If you're looking for a way to diversify your investment portfolio without needing to spend millions, it's definitely an option worth considering. Just remember to do your homework. Assess the property and platform and make sure it fits within your long-term investment goals. In a market where owning property can seem like a far-off dream, fractional ownership is making it possible for more people to invest in luxury real estate than ever before. With just 5 lakh rupees, you could become part of India's most exclusive properties. It's affordable, practical, and could offer a solid return on investment. But like any investment, it comes with its own risks. So what do you think? Is fractional ownership the future of real estate? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into smart investments and property ownership in India.